I mean, obsidian, if we find diamonds, that's straight enchanting. Hello, what's up? It's me, BB Lightness Lady, and today we're starting a new series, and that is called Strikecraft. So let's kill the sheep. I'm murdering it with his own meat. That is just so sad. Anyways, perfect way to start the series. Perfect way to spawn a village. So let's get this cow. Hi there, cow. Definitely not gonna murder you. Well, that was a fail. Murdering cows and apparently failing so bad. I heard that scaly. There's definitely a cave nearby or something. Now let's explore this village. Also might be instant food. What's this? Oh, that may be where that skeleton and spider may be. I saw some carrots, I think. Yes, I did. Think so. Yes, I did. Maybe potatoes, though. Oh, it's beetroot. Don't do this to me, please. Oh, really? Well, this wasn't the best village. I found no carrots. It was not instant food. Is the blacksmith? Hello, Mr. Blacksmithers. You here? Carries on this way a bit. I really don't like this lag. This lag is just not doing me well. Anyways, see if this. Oh god. Well, anyways, we raided the blacksmith. We got a ton of obsidian, which means we don't have to get a diamond pickaxe to mine the obsidian for if we find diamonds. This means if we find a vein of 2 or 5 or 6 I can just make the whatchamacallit, diamond boots and then the enchanting table. Yeah. Anyways, I think I'm done in this village. But what if there's more stuff? Wait, what the heck? Is that 2 village spawn? No, I think that's just the one that I saw before. Anyways, that could be... Ah! Lag! I blame you. How do I even get back up? Oh my god, I need to get dirt from here. I can actually do some mining here if I want. Like, just this episode, but I think this episode is just collecting material and basic tools. So, let's just climb out of here really quickly. This lag isn't really doing good. Okay, let's just climb out really quickly. Wow, I really hate this lag. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes! I see. Wow, perfect amount.